I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp message from Microsoft Excel. Now on Formula tab, I'm going to type the following: equal, introduce double quote, then you type hi, then close with the double quote, then I will introduce ampersand, then I will click the cell which the first name, that is John, that will be B3. Then from there I will introduce an ampersand again, then a double quote, comma, introduce another double quote, then I will type ampersand again, then I will click on amount, that cell, that will be C3. We'll introduce another ampersand, double quote, then I will give a space, then type is due, please pay now, press fully stop, then I will end with a double quote. From there I'll press enter. This is the formula. Let me make it clear to you. Then you'll have this message displayed on that particular cell. Now from there I can copy this to the other cells below. I'll drag it downwards like this. Like that. Now on message on WhatsApp link, I will also have to type the following on formula bar. I will introduce equal sign, then type hyperfunction, hyperlink, that is hyperlink function, then introduce a double quote. I'll type HTTPS, then full colon, double forward slash, web. I'll type web.whatsapp.com, then forward slash, then I'll type send, introduce a question mark, phone, introduce equal sign. Then from that phone I will click on the cell, that is D3, cell D3, where we have a phone number. After I've introduced an ampersand, then I will click on it on D3, cell D3, where we have a phone number of that particular person. I will introduce again an ampersand, then double quote, ampersand again, text, equal sign, introduce a double quote, again ampersand. I will click on message, that is the cell where that person has the message, that is C3. On the cell C3, comma, I will introduce a double quote again and type send message. Then I will close with a double quote. I will close with a closing parenthesis. Then I press enter. When I press enter, you can let me show you this so that you can be able to see very well here. Let me show it very well. If you are followed along, this is exactly what you need to type. Make sure you don't miss anything here. So this is a function you need to type. Then from there you press enter. You'll have a message link here. When you click on this message link, it will take you to a browser and it will open a WhatsApp. So let me copy to the other cells like this. So once you click on these links, they will take you directly to the WhatsApp.